Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this cilantro lime cauliflower rice. This cilantro lime rice is super easy. It's going to take like 5 minutes to make because we're going to use my favorite cauliflower rice, the frozen bags of cauliflower rice that you just microwave for 5 minutes. So we've already got this one microwaved. The recipe calls for 12-ounce bag of cauliflower rice. This one's 10 ounce, but either will work. I love these. You can find them in the freezer section. It's already riced cauliflower. If you want to rice your own cauliflower, you are more than welcome to. Just get a head of cauliflower, cut it into the florets, and then pulse it in a large food processor. And then you'll want to either steam it in the microwave or steam it in a saucepan. So it's not, so it's cooked. But yeah, that's what you got to do if you want to use fresh. But I like to go the easy route, so we're going to use this. So now I'm going to use this, all of these ingredients to make the pesto for the cauliflower rice, but it's more of like a cilantro lime pesto. And for that, we of course need fresh cilantro. We've got a cup of chopped fresh cilantro. So I'm going to pour this in my little food chopper here, along with the juice of 1 lime, which is about 2 tablespoons, a teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and 1/4 cup of cashews. These are just sliced cashews or chopped cashews. You could also use almonds. Really, you could use pine nuts. You could use any nuts. But I had cashews, so that's what I'm going to use. And now we can pulse this to bring it all together. I'm going to scrape the sides down, make sure it all gets nice and evenly chopped, and then pulse it again. So now we can mix it with our steamed cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is usually pretty bland, so this is going to really add a lot of flavor. And it's perfect served with like taco night. Have a side of cauliflower rice, cilantro lime cauliflower rice. Okay, let's give this a taste and see if it needs any seasoning. Oh my gosh, it has so much flavor. I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper. That is so good. You guys have got to try this recipe. It's perfect amount of lime juice, perfect amount of salt. It is amazing. Be sure you check out this recipe. It is so good. It's going to be perfect for your Taco Tuesdays. So yeah, check this out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.